Here we are at Nanaimo. We spent the day here today. Picked up some new batteries, installed them. And Preston is enjoying the free Wi-Fi. You can only get it when he's at the helm. For some reason the Shaw Wi-Fi works there and nowhere else. And just in the process of eating and enjoying a nice sunset. How was your day, Preston?
What?
How was your day?
Good.
Yeah? What did you get today?
I ordered the Oculus Quest.
Ooh, that's pretty exciting.
Yeah. It's a virtual reality headset, so you put it on your head, and then you get controllers, and you get to play games in the world
Sweet.
of virtual reality. It's pretty cool.
Nice.
Yeah.
You had fun in Nanaimo?
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
Hey, alright.
So burnt.
How was your day today?
Filming. It was good. A
Yeah.
lot of sun.
Yeah, you did get a lot of sun. I can see that in your
There's
cheeks.
a lot of boat problems.
Yeah, so we've...
You put it back together?
Preston told us about the boat problems we had yesterday. Now it's a new day, so what were our boat problems today?
Our boat problems today were, well, we got new batteries, which are water power, or water, like, batteries, like they're not closed. And then we had to mess with the 4-stroke engine again,
And this is the bad boy he's talking about right here. That beast, that 4 horsepower beast right there. Anyway, so tell us what we had to do to that guy.
well, and we were, we spent about an hour on it trying to get it to start. It started, and then it died again, so we spent another half an hour trying to get it started. We got halfway to where we were going to get the new batteries, and it just flat out died on us again, because I'll explain the problem after. And then I just had to row all the way to shore, or not to shore, but to the dock.
There was all of us in the dinghy at that point. There was all 4 of us in there.
But the problem is the float system, the little thing
carburetor.
that goes up and down in the carburetor keeps getting over flooded because the float gets filled with gasoline, so it doesn't ever go down or go up.
Yeah, it was staying down, so
Staying down,
it thought it needed fuel all the time, so it would just fill up.
And yeah, any other problems?
No.
PJ dropped a bungee cord in the water.
Oh yeah, we did. We lost a bungee cord. We gave that to Neptune. And Preston's out on the hammock. Me and Rye are just about to have ourselves a... Ooh, we got a Guinness and Moosehead Lager combo. And yes, so and look at this hard-working wife of mine. She's making the bed down there. Hey, Allie, how was your day?
It was good. I'm tired. We've
Yeah.
been up since like 5:15.
Yeah, we had to get up early.
Super early.
And you just heard that guy say same, but I'll tell you what time did you wake up today?
I got up at like 9 and I wanted to sleep until 10,
Yeah.
so I'm pretty hard done by 2.
Yeah. Not bad for you. Yeah, we had to get up early to get through Dot Narrows. But all is well, we are here. We're going to spend the night here, and I think the plan is to make the transit across the Georgia Strait tomorrow, Strait of Georgia, and get to Pender Harbour. So, yeah, that's the plan.
Hopefully.
All right, well, we're going to do some beers to enjoy. So.
If things don't break.
Yeah, I'm sure something else will break. But so anyways, just to add on to Rye's story about that float. So the reason the float kept sinking is because when I was playing, because every season it always kind of just sticks down. So when I was in there playing with it to get it to be unstuck, that's a word. I inadvertently cracked the float, so that then the float filled up with gasoline, and then it wouldn't go up anymore. So then it was constantly asking for fuel.
So it's just sitting there gluing right now.
So yeah, so I went and I have no idea whether this is going to work, but I went and took some just a Gorilla Glue I had on the boat here, and I'm trying to seal up the crack in the float, and it's in there. We're not going to use the dinghy today, so we'll get back on you and give you an update whether our MacGyver Gorilla Glue tactics were successful or a fail. Anyways, okay. Good night. So here we are on, what is it? It's Monday morning, so this is day 3, and we're hoping nothing breaks today. Knock on wood. Is there some wood around here, Preston? Oh, there's some wood. Knock on wood. We are off. We're leaving Nanaimo right now. It's right early in the morning, so I think around 6 in the morning, and we're heading off to Pender Harbour. So we're going to be crossing the Strait of Georgia, and it looks like there may be a little bit of breeze out there, so we may get the sails out, so it'll be awesome. And Allison and Arai are still sleeping down below, but it's another sunny day in BC, and oops, I was sitting on something there, and anyways.